Look at the letters A, B, and C.
Wow, look at A!
B is for ball. C is for cat. A is for apple.
B is for ball.
C is for cat.
D is for dog.
E is for elephant. F is for fish. G is for grapes. Grapes start with the letter G. H is for horse. I is for ice cream.
J is for juice.
K is for kangaroo. L is for lion. M is for mango. O is for orange. P is for parrot.
Q is for queen. R for rabbit.
S is for sun. Look closely. T is for tiger. And this big letter T is perfect for a game of hide and seek.
U for umbrella.
V is for van. W is for watch.
X for xylophone. Y for yak.
Z is for zebra.